Hey loves, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's AG Sarah and today I am back with another video. So guys, today I'm using Lush hair to show you all how to cornrow. I know cornrow sometimes can be hectic and quite stressful, but I am going to show you all how you can do this with ease and without no stress. So right now I'm showing you all the things that I use to achieve this look. Some combs, my spray bottle, Vaseline, hair wax, and all that stuff for you to get, your pattern game right. So first off, I'm applying water on my hair because as you can see, my hair is quite dry. So I'm making sure that my hair is wet before I go in with my comb, because if I do that, if I don't spray my hair with some water and just comb my hair, it's going to break, and I ain't ready for no breakage right now. So right now I am detangling my hair and making sure that everything is just smooth for this style that we are about to do. So right after combing my hair, I grabbed my Vaseline. I don't know, you guys don't know how much I love Vaseline. Like, it does so much and I never let it go. It has so many benefits and I never let it run out at home. I always have like a spare somewhere in my house. So right now I am grabbing hair wax and I'm going to apply this at the area where I am about to part and start my braiding from. So this is just going to help for that sleek, yeah, you can see how sleek it is. Yeah, it's just going to help me part the hair even more better. So right now I was done with this tool and I'm going to show you guys how you can part this. So let's get up close and personal so you can see what I'm doing. So I am using this comb. You can use a ragtail comb, whatever comb that you have, but this is the one I have and this is what I'm using. So I have a mirror right in front of me and that is what I'm using to part this hair, because for cornrows like this you need a mirror. Yeah, so I don't know how you do it, but this is how I do mine, so don't come at me and saying I said you need a mirror, because this is how I do mine and this is what I can teach you. So after parting it, I am going to apply hair wax or gel on it just to make it sleek, yeah, and to make sure that I don't have any flyaways when I'm making this braids. So now for the main part, what I do for this cornrows is I pick like a little, I part the front into like 3, then I start braiding and I braid it twice, then I start applying, I start adding in my braiding hair. And some people like to start with the braiding hair, but because I'm doing this on myself and I didn't really want to like ruin it, so I decided to start braiding my natural hair first, then go in with the braiding hair, because I find that better. I find that more easier for me than just adding the braiding hair first. So just like that, I continue adding braiding hair and I continue braiding till I get to the end of the braid. So as you can see, I made sure that as I was going, the braiding hair was increasing. I had already parted down before I started this, so do that just to make the work less stressful for you and more easier. So you can see how sleek it's looking. Yeah, it's looking quite sleek and good. So you're just going to continue braiding that, and when you get to the tip, you're going to braid it to the very end. And that is it. That is how simple and easy it is to do cornrows. It's quite easy. So yeah, this was how it was looking the next day. Like, look at my skin, yo. Like, I don't even know, I ain't playing, but I was like glowing that day. I don't know if it was the style, maybe it brought out my face or something, but that day there was something different. Like, my skin was just on fleek, everything was on fleek, my hair was on fleek and all that stuff. So right now I am applying olive oil on my hair, simply because I was feeling pains like at the start, and I didn't want to get those, nasty bumps in the front of my hair. Yeah, I ain't ready for that shit. So I applied olive oil on my hair and at the front of my hair, just to prevent any of those. And I was about to go out, so you can see me just grooming myself a little. This is what I do every day when I'm going out and I don't have time to do makeup. Yeah. So now I'm styling my edges real quick. And yeah, this is how it is. This is cornrows, and this is how it was looking the rest of the day. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love to see you in the next one. Bye.